Here we are, look at them all. 4 white parrots, 6 ducks, 10 lorikeets, baby boar. Just got here in the afternoon. There we are, and that one there, 1 parrot, 3 lorikeets, a duck, a parrot, lorikeet, parrot, 3 lorikeets, 4 lorikeets. Having a bit of a challenge. The ducks and the lorikeets. Nice here in the afternoon, the menagerie. Look at that. Big ducks are having fun with the lorikeets are just cheeky. Here we are. The lorikeets are telling the ducks where to go. Parrots. Parrots are fun to watch. All cheeky. Those lorikeets, they're cheeky. It's fun to watch. I wish the camera was able to see as much as my eyes do. Unfortunately, I have to pan around. But with the eyes, I can see it all. So I miss quite a bit with the camera. But, oh yeah, the butcher birds or whatever they are, coming in there and trying to take over with the ducks. It's going to be quite fun with all the animals. See how it goes when we get into summer. The parrots are coming in, which is good. I like seeing the parrots. That one there, that parrot there, he just got his head stuck in that bowl and he doesn't want to leave it. The others are moving around, but he's just stuck there. Alright. See if I can get some bread. Okay, I'll step away. Right, when Christy comes out here, the birds hardly move. When I move around, they just run. What I'll do is I'll stop this, I'll go get the bread and I'll do it again. Okay? See you back in a minute.